Hello, in this video I won't show you how to fix the problem when you have stable internet connection, but if you try to download any apps from a Google Play Store, they're stuck on the pending. And to do this, let's open our Google Play Store. Here, if we try to download something, after hitting install button, it is in the pending and it's stuck like this basically forever. So we can cancel it for now and move on to the fix. Open your settings, then scroll all the way down and enter system. Here we have date and time, and we can enable set time automatically. When we go back to Google Play Store and install the same app, it should work fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.